Okay, guys, so I reclaimed an 11 by 14 canvas, um, the third go around with it, and I had bought a new brush. It was about 3 o'clock in the morning um, here at Rehab Studio where I couldn't sleep, and it was a mop brush, a Winsor Newton mop brush, as you can see, and look what it did. I was just coming back today to do some more work on it, and it left tons and tons of hairs. You can see the outline here where the owl was going to be, this guy there. And I don't know. I don't know what to do. Any suggestions? Um, Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Um, it's a mop brush. It's supposed to be for blending. Um, I looked this series up and it said watercolor. Maybe you can't use watercolor with acrylics, I guess. I should have used the universal one, this one, but it's not much there, as you know. And I'm gonna also show you the quality. You got a glimpse of the trash bin there. Quality does matter. Why do I say that? Because I just want you to keep looking at all these stinking hairs. Look at this, man. The thing is just loaded with hairs. Those tweezers are not going to take all these hairs out. There's just no way. There's tons of them, but look at this. So Santa Fe, it's a brand you see. It's let me see right here. See if we can get a good focus. Anyway, Santa Fe. The head came off. Look, you see. And I never let my brushes sit in the water bin there. So I was looking at it and I was just trying to think, like, I need this little detail brush, but now I'll keep it in here in my little sketch thing to remind me that quality does matter and to buy the right brush. Well, check us out today over on Facebook on the Battlefront to Ministry site, Rev Mark King for the personal site, Rev Milk for Twitter and Instagram. Leave a message, subscribe, share, comment, guys. Let me know what I could do differently next time. I definitely know that I was pushing too hard, I think, on it, and I think it's meant for water use, colors use only. If you want to see the product that I've gotten, a project, I can't talk, that I've gotten done, is that one. That one has been reclaimed 3 times because I keep messing up on it. And I put the lid through my wet palette today. Guys, what do I do? Do I chunk it in the bin? Is there any suggestions? I mean, can I let it dry and take sandpaper? I don't know. Any suggestions will help. Please subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. God bless. Give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.